So then, the RTX 4090. Sure, it might be as hot as a service of the sun, but hey, at least it performs well. But thankfully, cards such as the MSI RTX 4090 Suprim Liquid X come to the rescue, seeing how it is a water-cooled RTX 4090. And for just $1,750, it's not even that much more expensive than the base air-cooled Suprim X model. So why exactly shouldn't you go for this graphics card then? Seeing how it does have quite a few things going for it. Starting off with performance, it has a whopping 105 MHz factory overclock. Or even more if you download a special app that MSI are constantly trying to push in our face, like a door-to-door salesman who can't take a hint. That is a lot of additional megahertz, and the thing is that seeing how it's a water-cooled card, you have no problems of taking it even further. Seeing how it is cooled by a 240mm radiator with two 120mm fans. Not to mention an additional fan on the graphics card itself. And seeing how the actual card is still dual slot, there's still a lot of cooling going on even on the card itself, not just in the radiator. That means that the card is a lot more compact than most RTX 4090s, leaving you plenty of additional space in your PC. However, it also does commit the cardinal sin of RTX 4090s. That is, having only a single HDMI port. Now while it is a bit more forgivable on this graphics card, seeing how it only has two slots to play with, I think it's still absolutely unacceptable on a graphics card that's so expensive. Especially seeing how, again, it looks like the price doesn't even matter. Seeing how even an entry-level Asus TUF card, which costs just $1,600, comes with two HDMI ports. But whatever, it looks like a lot of RTX 4090s are following this dangerous trend this generation, so who knows, maybe I'm just going insane. Either way, the great cooling potential combined with the absolutely stunning looks, because I mean, this card does look amazing. RGB fans might be a bit disappointed, but apart from that, it is a stunning looking card. And for its price, it's actually not a bad deal. Okay, yes, I know it's still an RTX 4090, and I know that these things are still extremely expensive, but like, for the standards of an RTX 4090, it's a pretty good deal. And if you want to grab it yourself, then make sure to use our Amazon links down in the video description below. And hey, if you want to help support what we do here, then make sure to check out our Patreon, because even one single dollar a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Justin Rage, Ella Froniak, Bartosz Volka, Max Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Jesse Herbman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down you're going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social links as well. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.